This is the PuraFlame fireplace. What I like about this fireplace is that it generates a fair amount of heat and the design is pretty nice. It changes into different colors and it comes with a remote so you can just adjust the colors that you want. Just like now it's red, blue, pink, green, so on and so forth. So there's a variety of colors that you can choose from if you want to set the mood. You can also increase the visual flame that it generates. You can adjust the temperature settings using the remote control. If you want it at a higher degree or a lower temperature, you can easily do that with this PuraFlame fireplace. It is very easy to mount. It is fairly inexpensive compared to the other fireplaces.